Now we will see that how we can go ahead and create an invoice in my service document. For that, quickly let's go to our transaction module. Now, this is the list of transactions which I have created, and this is a service which I have sold, service of polishing on a wall. What I will do, I will open this transaction timeline. Now, in this, I have created the challan and I have sent the material through challan after service. Now I need to go ahead and create invoice. So always remember that once you create the invoice in service document, so either that is a service order or that is a service confirmation, always invoice is being created on the service part, not on the item part. So on your right hand side, you will get an option of create document. Click on this. You will get an option of tax invoice here. Click on tax invoice. So this is the service tax invoice which will get created here. You can very well go ahead and select the series. We have defined the multiple series in our settings module. So currently I am just going ahead and selecting the sales invoice series. Going below, you can go ahead and put the payment date, that is of 31st of July. This is the service which I have provided on 240 walls. So the total amounting on each wall, it is pricing 12 rupees. So the total amounting which is coming after the calculation, that is 3,390. In this invoice, you can very well go ahead and add the extra charge, attachment, additional details. So suppose if I go ahead and put the additional detail of account details. So what I will do, I will click on this account detail and I will select my State Bank of India account details here. Going below, I will get an option of save as draft, save as send. So I'm just going ahead and creating this invoice. So I will click on save and send. Once I will click on save and send, it will display me that what exact information is missing in the invoice. So in this, supplier billing GSTIN is missing. So what I will do, I will quickly go ahead and click on yes in order to authorize it. And then after, a invoice related to service confirmation will get created in my transaction timeline. You can very well go ahead and share this invoice over WhatsApp as well. And whenever you will create this invoice, an automated email will be sent to the counterparty, the front party, the vendor to whom you have provided the services. I hope it helped you out in how to create an invoice in service document. Have a good day.